Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect the Bluetooth device on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just turn on the Bluetooth device which you want to connect to your Oppo phone. Now after you turn on your Bluetooth device, then open settings on your Oppo phone. From here, just tap on Bluetooth and enable Bluetooth from here. Now under available devices, just look for the signal of the Bluetooth device which you want to connect to your smartphone. If you could not find the name of your Bluetooth device under the available devices section, just tap on refresh and it will refresh the available devices page. After you find the signal of your Bluetooth device under the available devices section, just tap on the name of your Bluetooth device. Then select pair. And once you do that, you will successfully connect your Bluetooth device to your Oppo A5x. And this is how you can connect any Bluetooth device to your Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.